guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. So for all of you, thank you so much for watching my videos and for being of help. And for all of you who still on watching my videos since the beginning, I started my channel in 3 years ago, and this is my third year in YouTube. Sometimes I film, sometimes I don't. So, but still, they're watching my videos. And that time, it's quite difficult to have a free saving challenges, but nowadays, lucky us, there's coffee and there's a lot of free saving challenges. Just search and you can see it. Just go to coffee and you can see a lot of collabs, a lot of free saving challenges. So for the past 3 years, I'm still here. I'm doing my budgeting style is still the same. If you haven't watched it yet, you can go back to some of my videos and you can see it's still the same. I didn't change it because that one is what I used to. Maybe for savings, yeah, I have some changes, but for being frugal, I'm still frugal, but not that I keep on being frugal without spending anything on that for the things that make me happy. So now I'm frugal, but I'm saving for the things that I want to buy. So, all right. Again, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, and comment. And hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. There's a lot of saving challenges now and a lot of channels. But if you're still here, thank you. And for all of you, thank you so much and God bless you. So without further ado, let's start. So I'm still working on these rolling into fall saving challenges from Kathy of Cruise Budgets. So I have some few more here. So it's supposed to be with a card. Sorry about that. But this time I just roll the dice and try to finish this challenge. Okay, so it's a D4 to D20 dice challenge. And let's see if I can finish it today. I really want to finish it and know how much I will save in here. So let's start. So for D4, let's see. So I have IOU here of $1. So let's see if I can change this. Oh, sorry. By the way, the money that I need to save for collab and group play, excluding the Disney collab, is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $100. So let's see. So this one I have IOU of $1. So 1, 2, hold on. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So let's put 9. 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, just to change this and take out the IOU. And then, hold on. Put my name there. Okay. So, and then let's roll the 4 side dice. So we only need 1 here. So it's 3. So let's save 3 in here. And it's done. D4 is done. And let's get 3 here. So the money that I save in here is 10, 20, 25, $26. Yay! So this is done. I just put it back and then I will total it later. Okay, this is done. So rolling a d6. So d6 is here. So I need to roll 2. So 3 and 5. 3 and 5. So $8. Let me get 10 and let's have a change of $2. So the total amount I save in here, okay, are 30, $38. Okay, this is done. So let me get, so 38 plus, how much is the D4? D4 is 26 plus 26. So 64 so far, 64. I hope I can finish this. So for D8, it's only one left. So it's 4. And let's save here $4. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give me 10. Oops, sorry. Let me check. I forgot. 6. So far 64, right? So let me get this 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7. I'm mix it up. Plus 7 plus 7 plus 9 plus 9 plus 3. Oh, 3. So total of 48. So here is $48. I think I mix up. You see, I mix up. How come? Just let me check again. 7 plus 12 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 3 plus 9. So 54. Okay, I'm correct. So $54 here. So 54 plus, okay, let me just, plus 38 plus 26. Okay, plus 26. So total now is 118. Yeah, I will just take out the money then. Okay, I'll just combine now. And I'll count it later. I'm an undecisive person. I always change my mind. Sorry about that. Okay. So for D10, let's see. D10 to roll. We need to roll. Oh, this is D10 or the, yeah, this, oh no, this D10. Okay, this is D10. So, oh no, $9. And then 7. So $16. $16. So I need 4 to change. So 16. Okay, let me just time. Okay, 16. So here, 20, 40, 50, 60, 69 plus 69. So 187. And for D12, see 4 more. I hope our money is enough. 4 more. Can you help me? Help me pray that I only have I only get a smaller amount, please. I really want to do the collaboration challenges. So let's see. So, okay, 5, safe. Oh no, 7, 2, thank you. 11, come on. So, 9, 20, 25. Oh no. 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just hang on. So far we have here 20, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67 plus 67. So it's for now it's 254. And then the last one, I need here 3 roll to finish this D20. And again, help me help me pray that it's gonna be a smaller amount. All right, this is D20. Okay, D20. Oh no, you say that? $16. I need to wear my eyeglasses. Yeah, 16, 10, 16. Oh my God, 32, 42. I have 42. Oh no, yeah, 42. Okay, isn't it? 32, 42. Ah, so imagine, let's see, I will not count this. So for us to, let's see how much the total amount here. Prop money, let me check, so all this prop money, I made it for myself because I like butterfly. As you can see, there's a butterfly on this prop money. Okay, so, all right, there's 2 more there, 2 more there. Okay, and let's calculate. So for the prop money, 10, the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, plus 24, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus 10, plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 4. So a total of 48. And the prop money for this challenge is in here. Let's see how much I have here. I think 50. So yeah, 50. So this is the 50. So let's take this one. So 50. And let's combine together. 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100. 120. So 50 plus 120 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 40 plus 1, 2, 40 plus 1, 2, 40 again plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 70. A total of 360. Yay! Wow, that's so much. So this money will go to our travel fund. So let me write down because maybe I'll forgot. I'm more forgetful now that I'm on my menopausal stage, menopausal age. So this is for travel. Travel of 2026 Philippines. Okay. So what I'm going to do, because I didn't expect it that much to finish the rolling into saving challenges. So what I'm going to do is, let me just do this Nicola first. And here I just redo the coloring here because I made a mistake. So here each letter is $1. So let me get my yellow here, and I save here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me color this hello. So Winnie the Pooh is my eldest daughter favorite character. Okay, so hello. So let's save here $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next one. So I need to roll here six-sided dice, and I will save here $1 each space. Okay. So let me six-sided dice. So how many? So just one again. So color here yellow then. Yellow. And let's do one more. So 3, additional of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So a total of $4 here. And let's get the money here. So actually this saving challenge is an A4 saving challenge, an A4 paper, but I made it as an A5 so that I can save, and so that I can save ink and paper as well. So frugal mom here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15 plus. So I need here one. So $4, right? Yeah, I need one more dollar. Hmm. So we don't have change. So let me change this into 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2, 4, 6. And prop money goes here. Okay. So 5, 17 plus 10, 21. So now it's $21. Okay. And let's keep it in here. So 21, let me change this into here. And let's keep it in here. Okay, so what's next? So the next one is gonna be for the 12-month collab for 2026, Lovely's Road to 1K and Lovely's Road to 2K merging together. So for this collab, I'm part of this collab, and so the one who on 1K subscriber goal are, it's not too late Terry, Gaming Grandma Budgets, hi my Miss Pam, Christy of CW Das Life, and Coca Cabana Budgets, it's Patty, and Oma Low Income Journey, and me. And then for the 2K goal, it's Miss Gracie of Grammy's Journey and More, Lily of EMT Dispatcher on a Budget, Odette of Odette's Budgeting Life, and Sin on, at Sin on a Budget. If you want to join us for this collab, you can check each of our individual coffee shop. It's listed there on each of our channel shop or page, and you just grab it there and save with us and tag us so that we'll watch and see how much you save and which one save more. All right, so for this one, I finished it last time here, and then let's see how much I will save today. And I'm using here 6-sided dice. I need D4. Okay, let me just clear it first. Okay. Okay, so it's more clear and visible. Okay. Still see it? Okay, let's do this. So 2, I finish it here. So 1, 2, 4-sided dice. So it's 4. So this one is 4. 4, 2, 1, 2. So this icon, so I will save here. Let's see. Let me save here $5. Okay, $5. Another roll. And then let mark here 2 so that I know that's 2 icon has been colored. So here 3 from there. 1, 2, 3. So this snowman, which is lying down and lying on his chest. So let's save here $5. So it's all done. So this is done. And let's see. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D6. So $1. Let's save here $1. Okay, $1. And another one. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this icon, so this is the last icon. So $3. Let's cross this out. And let's save here $3. Okay. So I'll finish it in here and I need to mark it here. Okay. And what we saved today for this collab is 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Let's see the rest, how much. Okay, let me count it again. So 10, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. So 34. So let's get, I think we don't have, let's change only $10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. And next one. So how much we still have here? Let's see. Oh, this is spicy mel. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 11. $11 left. Come on. So are going to do this one or this one? So for Miss Judy's Sunday Fling with Friends, it's I need to save here $4. So I'm not saving the whole amount. I just add it up so that I can save. I'm on very tight budget. So $4. I put here $4. And you see there, I have IOU. So 2, 4, 6. Okay, 6 for IOU. And that's all I think I can save for today. And in here, so this challenge is available on my coffee shop. Yeah, for free. So I already sketch it for and I flip it's together with the tiny card so that it will help you save more. Alright, it says if you want to put a scratch of sticker, it's fine. If you don't, it's okay. Play it on your own way. So it's gonna be no rules. It's up to you if you wanna play the card or not. So what I save here, this is the last. I didn't play it today. So total na is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. Sorry for the other challenge here that I haven't do yet. I'm going to do it next time because now rolling into fall is finished, so I can save more money in here. So that's all for today, lovelies. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Oh, I still have $1. So let me get the catch all money. Where is it? I forgot. Okay, I'll put it on Kimi's blessings. This is for Kimi's blessing. I forgot. Kimi. So that's it for now, lovelies. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. Love ya. Bye.